Want to send effective emails that get more opens and better engagement? Then stay tuned for 4 quick and simple techniques that are going to greatly improve your email marketing. I'm Laura Bean and this is Creative Little World. Email marketing still remains one of the most powerful tools you can use to engage with your audience and drive conversions. So let's dive in and discover how you can take your email marketing to the next level. Segment your email list. Break down your subscribers into smaller groups. This could be based on things like demographics, their order history, how they joined your mailing list in the first place. By segmenting your list, you can provide more relevant and personalized content. This is going to result in higher engagement and more conversions. Just like with the rest of your marketing, sending generic content to everyone isn't as effective. So break down your audience into segments and send more focused and targeted emails. Craft compelling subject lines. Subject lines play a crucial role in whether your emails are going to get opened or not. So spend some time crafting subject lines that are compelling and entice the audience to open those emails. You want your subject lines to grab attention. They need to be concise, use personalization, create a sense of urgency or curiosity that makes them want to click and open. Split test your subject lines. This is a really great way to see what your audience responds to. Most email providers will have options for helping you to do this. What it will do, it will send each subject line to a small percentage of your mailing list. The subject line that gets the most opens will then be the winner, and it will email the rest of the mailing list with that subject line. You can then use this information to help you craft future subject lines. A well-crafted subject line is going to significantly increase your engagement, so make sure you spend some time on these. Provide valuable content in your emails. You want your emails to deliver engaging and valuable content. Avoid being overly promotional and focus on providing information that is helpful, provide tips, advice, insights that are going to help your audience. Offer exclusive content such as ebooks or white papers or videos that add value to their inbox. By consistently delivering valuable content, you're going to build a better relationship with your subscriber list. You're also going to help build trust. So when you do deliver some of those sales and promotional emails, your lists are more likely to engage and buy. Optimize emails for mobile devices. There's a good chance that your email is going to be open on a mobile device, so it is crucial that it's optimized for mobile. It's stressed often with websites to make them mobile responsive, but often people forget about their emails. Do not use large images that are going to blow up their inbox. Make sure it's visually appealing and the text is formatted to the right size for mobile. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small, it's got to be just right. Make sure you use a responsive email template and preview your email on various devices and email clients to ensure a seamless user experience. A mobile-friendly email will result in higher conversion rates and better engagement. Improving your email marketing involves strategic planning and attention to detail. By segmenting your email list, crafting compelling subject lines, providing valuable content, and optimizing for mobile devices, you can enhance the effectiveness of your email campaigns and drive better results. Remember, email marketing is about building relationships and providing value for your subscribers. So implement the strategies in this video, analyze the results, and continue to refine your approach. If you want some easy ways to grow your email marketing list, watch this video here. And if you want some great ideas on lead magnets to help you skyrocket those subscriber numbers, watch this video here. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy emailing.